Hello beautiful souls. In this video I'm going to show you how I made a Cyclops out of paper mache. It's been drying overnight and it's ready for a coat of paint, so come, let me show you. As World Book Day is approaching, my client asked if I would make a Cyclops head for her son's costume. He's going to be Odysseus. So I made this one out of paper mache. And if you've seen the lion video that I made out of paper mache, the procedure is quite similar. It's the skull is made out of recycled boxes, cardboard, and I cut them into pieces like this and taped them together with masking tape. And then after that I added 2 layers of paper mache. I'll let it dry in between layers. Here's how I made the handle and the head. Let's give this guy some colors. I'm gonna start with adding white to the face, just as a base. I mixed quite a nice shade of brown already the other day for another project, and I think I'm gonna use that one for the hair. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like these projects, and stay tuned for upcoming projects. I let this one dry, this layer. And then I mixed skin color, and I am using acrylic paint. I'll put a link below because I do recommend them. If you've seen my other projects, you've seen that I've used them a lot. Okay, let's give this guy a little bit more color. On with the lipstick. What do you think? I think we're getting there. One thing I wonder is, do Cyclopses have eyebrows? I think I will leave this one without.